sure rinse, delay, and power button at the same time. All right. There you go. Delay start will be cycling through all the options. So here's your fan that's located on the bottom here. This is going to be a soap dispenser. Here's your drain. There's your water valve. So off the water valve will be a wash motor, and that wash motor will be with the heating element at the same time. So that's how we check the heating element. So now it's supposed to pull about 10 amps on the junction box, black wire. If it doesn't pull, that means something wrong with the heating element. That's it.